Hey guys, Homestead Know-How. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and the ducks are already out moving. Wanted to check on the chicks. They were out last night. It is foggy and cold. I still hear them back there. We gotta move everybody forward. So, that being said, move our extension cord. I gotta try to do this before I have to go in and do some stuff here. Hey, ducks. So we gotta reach down here, close our water off. And they've almost went through that whole thing. Just about. See if there's enough water in here to rinse that off. Yeah, guys, this is the downside to having to work and try to do all this. So, and my rope's missing. Okay, well, that's just awesome. So let's go find us a rope. Over the fence we go. Where do we stop? The garage, you know? Alright, let's go over here to the garage. Guess we're checking on these guys too, huh? The chicks. Let's see if I can uncover them. See what, I'm gonna take this towel with me. Hey guys. You know, they're real peek in. They got water. Alright, let's get a rope. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna. Alright guys, so we've got a rope. Get back over the fence. Got our water jug out. And we're going back here on this one. Where is it on this one? There it is. Couldn't find it. Alright. We'll hook this side up. Right there. Alright, we're gonna move these guys forward. Alright guys, so we got to move forward. One of them got hung up in the bar down here. Hopefully he'll be okay. Got to get our water put back in. So we'll have to put our leg on. And I can't say that I'm 100% thrilled with the way this water works. But it's all about figuring out a system that works best. Alright, so let's pick our water jug back up. Get it put back down in here, like so. Turn a little bit, and we'll raise our water valve up. Alright, we'll get this closed back. And it Looks like it needs to be scooted over a little bit. I think I went the wrong direction actually. So it's like that, but I'm gonna take, I got me some cutters here in my back pocket. And I'm gonna cut, I think, that one right there. There you go. Yeah. And the only problem is it looks like I'm in a hole here. So I don't know if that's gonna spill over, if that's gonna work. So I guess we'll see. We'll go from there. Alright. So we got them moved. Put this back in here. Get our rope. And let's see what we got with these guys. The downside of this is I'm doing this out here by myself. And the problem with that is I don't have anybody getting here to move their stuff. So that leaves me to do it. And I gotta go to work. So I gotta try to do it without getting completely nasty. Alright, let's move them forward a little bit. And this one is a little heavy. That's what I was afraid of. Alright guys, so we've got our rope. Get back over the fence. Got our water jug out. And we're going back here on this one. Where is it on this one? There it is. Couldn't find it. Alright. We'll hook this side up. Right there. Alright, we'll move these guys forward.